Alright, what you're looking at here is a very dirty Savoy house. Roswell, whatever you want to call it. I got 2 of these new in box at Habitat for $30 each. Probably overkill for what these are, but they're decent looking fans and I enjoy them. This one performs good for what it is. Doesn't go terribly fast, but it's functional. And this replaced the Harbor Breeze Palm Breeze, which is what I had up here prior to getting a cord for this spot. So there was never a time to demo that, but now we can demo this thing. Here's low. This was installed right out of the box, so it's a bit dirty from the box. I believe this is Texan gray finish. I really like the brackets. They remind me of shells of some sort. This thing goes quite slow on low speed, which I enjoy. I don't know if that's intentional, but it's just pretty slow. I still have the other one in its box. I have been given the idea by some people to dual install them right over there where that Bridgeton is. But I feel like that just wastes testing space, and I don't intend on switching things out a lot. I just switched this out because I switched out the Palm Breeze just because I was bored. So, and it wasn't hooked up anyway. Okay. I think I pulled too lightly. This one came with either rosewood or cherry blades, which is why I prioritize this one over the other one, because the other one has like a dark oak. And I'm not sure where these came from, but it did look like they were used in the box, but they were still semi-complete screw-wise. So I guess someone was gonna install them and change their mind or something. If you heard that, excuse me. Here's high. And yes, it does wobble. I couldn't find any set screws in the box, so that's lovely. It'll stop eventually. If it doesn't, it's very light. Very good fan for what it is, I'll say. Alright, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed and stay tuned for what's to come next.